from justdate.com, and today I'm going to be expanding your mind on how to make chicken caldereta with manzanilla, the green olives. Alright, let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Real quick, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an 8 or 2, and definitely share out this recipe because it's so easy, they could make it too. Are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the like button and the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could get a notification whenever we upload another video. And hey, maybe hit the share button to share it out with your family and friends. I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.